Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to revise the chapter The Northern Mountains, and the Northern Mountains, that means the Himalayan region. Under this heading, we will revise today all the main 4 important topics. The first one is the Himalayas. We are going to revise about the Himalayas. The second part, the usefulness of the Himalayas. The third one, life of people in Himalayan region. And the last one, the northeastern states. The northern mountains contain the Himalayas and the Karakoram ranges. Now, the Himalayas can be broadly divided into 3 parallel ranges: the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Shivaliks. That is the southernmost Himalayas, or sometimes it is told the outer Himalayas. So, now the Greater Himalayas is known as the Himachal. The Middle Himalayas known as Himadri, and the southernmost Himalayas it is known as the Shivaliks. Now, the Himalayas mean the abode of snow. The Greater Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. They are full of snow, covered with ice, glaciers. The Middle Himalayas, as because all these topics I revised in my previous videos, today the gist one I will only discuss. The Middle Himalayas or the Himadri, there we find many famous hill stations like Shimla, Darjeeling, Kulu, Manali. These hill stations are in the Middle Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas, they spread the Himalayas, mainly spread the Himalayas spread from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Total area they cover, and their height extends up to 8,848. That is the height of Mount Everest. The main mountain peaks, highest mountain peaks, the Annapurna and then the Mount Everest, they are all found in the Greater Himalayas. Kanchenjunga and the Annapurna, then Mount Everest. These are the mountain peaks which we find mainly in the Greater Himalayas. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first men to climb the Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest. We have many usefulness of the Himalayas. So afterwards I am going. Now the Middle Himalayas, they are having mainly hill stations. People generally go during summer vacations to these hill stations because these places they have the pleasant atmosphere during these places. In the winter seasons they are generally covered with snow. The Shivaliks, they mainly have the thick forest, and the hills are not so high. They are very low in heights, but there are thick forests and many wild animals are found in the southernmost Himalayas. Now, the usefulness of Himalayas. Himalayas are useful to us in many ways. They act as natural boundary. The first point you have to remember, the Himalayas act as natural boundary and help to guard our country from the foreign invaders. They act as the monsoon bearer, means they stop to go away from our country and they cause the rainfall in the northern parts of our country. They check the monsoon bearing winds to go away from our country. Then these forests are thick source of wood and wild animals. Many people love to thrill, then adventures. So Himalayas are also the places for adventures. People go for trekking and adventure sports, and that's why they are very much fond of these mountains, the Himalayas. Many rivers are originating from the Himalayas. The glaciers are melting and they are flowing towards the downwards, and gradually they are coming to the plains. Ganga, Brahmaputra, the Indus, the Yamuna, these are the rivers they have originated from melting of the glaciers. The Himalayas, they have many famous hill stations also. People generally visit these places during summer vacations, and they are the main spot for the tourist to go for a change. Now we will go to the life of people in the Himalayan region. Mainly we will discuss the life of the Jammu and Kashmir people, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and the first one is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, then Uttarakhand and Darjeeling. Sikkim. These are the main states we are going to discuss the life of the people here, how they used to live. In Jammu and Kashmir is a place, a very beautiful and no doubt a scenic beauty is there. There in Kashmir, it is famous, the Dal Lake is very famous. We find sikaras where fruits, vegetables are sold. People generally go here to visit the very famous spots they have in Kashmir. Kashmir is also famous for apples and saffrons. People here wear firans. Generally, women may wear salwar kameez, and they keep a kangri, that is a cane basket full of burning coal inside their body, inside their dress, to keep their body warm. That is known as kangri, and they make many delicate ornaments and handmade things. Firan is a famous shawl which is made in Kashmir. Urdu and Dogri are the main languages of Kashmir. Amarnath Cave and Vaishno Devi are the main pilgrimage center for the people who are going to to visit the holy centers. They will go to Amarnath Cave and the Vaishno Devi center. They drink hawa and meat. They used to keep their body warm. Himachal Pradesh is the next tourist spot, and we will discuss now the lifestyle of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is also a very beautiful place, and the terrain is almost similar to Jammu and Kashmir. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. People here generally, they are very famous for the shepherds. They are mainly shepherds. Apples, grapes and peaches are grown here. Manali and Shimla are the famous hill stations in Himachal Pradesh. The dress code of Himachal Pradesh is salwar kameez for women, and men wear pajama and salwar with a colorful turban. Nati is a famous dance form of Himachal Pradesh, and here the folk dance is very famous. People speak Hindi and Pahari. The next one is Uttarakhand. The Himalayas in the Uttarakhand are known as Garhwal Hills and Kumaon. Ganga, Yamuna, they are the source of glaciers, and they are mainly originating from Uttarakhand. Here, very famous IMA, that is Indian Military Academy, is situated in Dehradun. Now, here many people are employed in Indian Army. The region attracts many people for their scenic beauty. Next is the Sikkim. Sikkim, the Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. It is a northeastern state, and it is a very beautiful place. The famous Ramtek monastery is a landmark of Sikkim, landmark of mainly Gangtok, because it is situated in the Gangtok, and people here are very fond of music. Okay, the mask dance is very famous in Gangtok, in Sikkim, and here the Nepal and Bhutan, it touches the border. Sikkim touches the border of Nepal and Bhutan. The next one is Darjeeling. It is situated in West Bengal. It is also a hill station. It is very famous tourist spot. Tiger Hill is the main landmark of the this tourist spot, and people generally go here to spend their free time during summer vacation. Thank you, children. And one more topic that we will discuss, that is northeastern states, that is the seven sisters we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.